This is how to play Oya Halalela by Benjamin Dube. I'll be showing you guys how to play this song using the key of C sharp. Okay, so I'm gonna start first by showing you guys the easy way to play the song, and then after that I'll be showing you guys how I personally play it. Okay, so make sure you stay till the end of the video. I'm sure you're familiar with this song. It says Oya Hala, Oya Halalela, Jesu Wama Khutla, Oya Halalela, Oya Halalela, Jesu Wama Khutla. You can say we praise. Okay, you're gonna play the same chord progression. Okay, so without any waste of time, let's jump straight to it. We're gonna start first by breaking down the simple version. Okay, so it starts right here on C sharp major, second inversion, which is also known as our number 1 on the major scale of the key of C sharp. Okay, from 1 it goes to 5. Okay, also known as G sharp major chord. From 5 it goes to 6, also known as A sharp minor. Okay, from 6 it goes to 4, also known as F sharp major. From 4 it goes to 5, also known as G sharp major. Okay, we explained this one already. Okay, so if you want to learn all these things, the numbering, the inversions, the slash chords, and all those things, you can join our private community. Here's my WhatsApp number up here. The price is 1,500. Just send me your WhatsApp to get more details. Okay, it's a one-time payment. From 1 it goes to 5, from 5 to 6, from 6 to 4, from 4 it goes back to 5. Okay, so just on that part we're going to introduce the bass. When you hit the first chord, on the left you go to 1. From 1, when you go to 5, on the left you also go to 5. When you go to 6, on the left you also go to 6. When you go to 4, on the left you also go to 4. When you go back to 5, on the left you also go to 5. Okay, this is where the song says Oya Hala, Oya Hala Lela, Jesu Wama Khutla, Oya. From here you're going to play Oya 5, 6, and then we have a slash chord right here. It's 5/7. Okay, meaning you're gonna play 5, 6, and then 5/7. From 5/7 you go to 1. Let me do it again. Let me play it again. It's 5, 6, 5/7, 1. Okay, and then from here you're gonna say oh yeah, and then 2, back to 1 again. From here you play 4, and then 1/3, 4, 1/3, because this is 1, this is C sharp major root chord, while on the left you are holding 3, and then after this chord you're going to play 2/4. After 2/4 you play 1/5, and then you play 5, and then you go to 1, your first inversion. I'm gonna start again from the beginning. I don't want you to be confused. Okay, oh yeah 1, oh yeah 5, le 6, G 4, Wa 4, Ru 5, Oh yeah 5, 6, 5/7, 1. Oh yeah, 1, la, 2, 1, and 4, 1/3, 2/4, 1/5, 5, 1. Okay, I believe you understand. So you're gonna move to how I personally play it. Okay, so before I break it down how I personally play it, I'm going to play it. I'm going to start first by playing it, and then I'll break it down after. Okay, so this is how I play it. Okay, even though it sounds like I'm playing something different, the progression is the same. It's just that I've added some passing chords and some movements on my left hand and also on my right hand. Okay, so let's break it down. I start here on C sharp major on our number 1. Okay, I'm not playing a different chord. I'm playing the same chord that I played on the simple version, and then from here I'm going to play my C sharp major, okay, C sharp major root, and then I hit 5. Before I hit 6, I hit A diminished chord, and then I go to 6. Let me repeat it again. It's O ya hala 1, and then C sharp major root, and then 5, and then A diminished 6. Okay, one last time. Okay, if you want to make it even more nice, you can play this movement on the left. You can say pa pa pa, and then you play. Okay, it's C sharp, C, A sharp, A sharp. Okay. Okay, let me play it one last time. And then I play A diminished, and then 6. And then before I go to 4, I play this movement. I say A sharp 5, C sharp 4. Okay, again, A sharp 5, A sharp 5, C sharp 4. Right? We say oh ya hala, lela, and then from here we play. Okay, it's A sharp 5. I play A sharp note, and then I play 5, C sharp note, and then I play 4. A second inversion. Okay, and then I move quickly from my F sharp major second inversion, and then I go to root, just like this. Okay, and then from here you go to 5, but before we hit our number 5, we play another diminished chord, which is a G diminished chord, and then we play 5. Okay, let's take it from the beginning. Pa pa pa. All right. G diminished, and then 5, and then here I play 5, 6, and then 5/7, and then 1, and then from here I don't stay on our second inversion. I go to C sharp root, okay, C sharp major root chord, and I play 2 and then 1, your second inversion. From here I play 4, okay, you can play 4 and then do this movement, 4, okay, let's do it again. C sharp, and then you play 1/3, and then you play, okay, you play, and then you hit your number 5, sorry, your 1/5, and then you go to 5, and then you close it. I'm gonna play it one last time on that part. When I go to 4, I say 4 C sharp, and then I play a slash chord, which is 1/3, and then I play 2/4, 1/5, and then I play 5, 1. Okay, you can play around with it as much as you like, as you want, as long as you stay within the melody of the song. Okay. So let me play it one last time, and then I will meet again in another video, guys. Okay.